I'm Elyse Dodgson. I'm an Associate Director of the Royal Court Theatre with responsibility for all the international work that we do here. We have an international department and I'm the head of that department, which is responsible basically for developing and producing international work in many, many different countries all over the world.
Just a warning, but he can stay there. And as I said to you before, I think it's just really because the school needs him there.
The relationship with John Studzinski goes back to 1997. I've been here since the very beginning of the international department, and it was John who saw the potential of it and really not only supported us at every stage of development, but gave us some incredible ideas.
My name is Alexa Okanovic. I'm a Dane, but my roots are in Serbia. At the moment, I'm at the Royal Court Theatre as a participant in something called the International Residency for Emerging Playwrights.
This is again down the road.
The Royal Court International Residency started in 1989. Now it's really focused on bringing over the international writers that we want to work with in London at the moment. And for nearly 4 weeks they're with us developing a new play that we've discussed with and supported with them. They also have a time to go and rewrite that play while they're here with the help and support of Royal Court writers and directors who are leading the program. And this is the culmination of that work today. They've been working for 3 days with a British director. Some of them have translators. They all have script advisors who may or not be with them at any particular point. And the 3 days is all process, and that's something else I think we learned from Genesis. We're not showing or sharing. At this point, it's an early stage, and they have 3 days to explore their own work.
My name is Ernesto Anaya. I came from Mexico. My play has the title Concerning the Shape of the World, and is a play that I start to write for prisoners in Mexico. And now in the last part of this workshop we are working with actors and the director. Actors made such an incredible questions about the play, very analytical questions, and I discovered that new ways of thinking about, well, I have to say myself because it's my play.
Of course, one of the early success stories was Vasily Sigarev, the young Russian playwright who took part in some of our early workshops in Russia in 1999. We produced his first play, Plasticine, as part of our international season in 2002, and he was awarded the Evening Standard Award for Most Promising Playwright. And one of the other great success stories, which I would love to mention, is that of Anupama Chandrasekhar, who is an Indian writer from Chennai, who we first met when she came on our international residency in the year 2000, and who she was very promising, but she had no career as a writer. She lived in an environment where that wasn't possible. And with a lot of support and more workshops that we did with the support of Genesis in India, we watched her grow and develop as a writer, and we produced her first play, Free Outgoing, in 2007, and we then commissioned her second play, which was called Disconnect, which had another great success. If it wasn't for Genesis and it wasn't for John, we just could not do what we do in the world. And I'm talking now that we've reached hundreds and hundreds of young writers all over the world whose lives have virtually changed and whose possibilities have changed because of John, because of Genesis, because of their ongoing support, which I think is completely unique and rare.